All right, so we're sight measuring today. Sight measuring means we use the angle of our pen or pencil to figure out the angles of the lines. So what we're going to do first is we're going to figure out where does this box go. This line right here is almost right in the middle. So we're going to start our box right about here. This is hard to do one-handed. Okay? We can measure from this corner and we can see whether or not that's right. You can see that it's very close to the top. So we need to go almost all the way up, and then we go over. You can decide what the angle of the rectangle is by going from corner to corner, corner to corner. If it's the same, then you have the right amount of space for your rectangle. Uh-oh. So we connect that and we have our basic box. You should be able to notice if yours is too skinny or not. We measure this line here with our pen, bring it down here like this. We're going to do it right from the corner to that spot. Okay, we're going to measure this line next, and it goes from the middle of that to the side. A little bit maybe above the middle of your square. With the same line here. This line goes up like so. Again, right from the corner of your paper. So we go from the corner of this box, and we draw up like so. My lines are a little jagged because I'm using one hand to hold this camera and one hand to do the drawing. Angle from here to here, from here to here. You can actually move your pen until it feels like it's about right. The distance from the rectangle in the same angle. Make 2 points, if that'll be helpful. And then go ahead and make that line and basic curve. That curves around here, and check the line. This one, put it down there. Comes all the way down to here. You can check how far it goes by making the angle from there. So it goes a little bit lower than this box. So it actually has to come down to about right here. I notice now that this box is actually a little bit too low. So we're going to make this come and stop a little bit there. I don't have an eraser, but you all will have the chance to erase. So this line comes down underneath this box, curves up here like this. And again, we can check the angles to make sure that they're right. That looks pretty good. Check the angle of this, and you'll notice it goes right basically from the middle of this box to this here, like so. All right. And you can see that that's much more exacting than if you don't use the measure.